Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the reflex arc and we will explain an example, that is knee-jerk reflex. First we are going to define the reflex arc. What is the reflex arc? So the reflex arc, it is a pathway on which the nerve impulse travels from receptors to effectors during a reflex action is called reflex arc. Simply, the reflex arc is a pathway on which the nerve impulse or the message travels for performing a reflex action. It is called what? It is called reflex arc. Reflex arc consists of the following components. The first one is sensory organ or receptor. The second one, sensory neuron. The third one is central nervous system or interneuron. The fourth one is motor neuron, and the fifth one is effector, which are muscles or glands. These components combinedly form a reflex arc, a pathway for nerve impulse and action. Now we are going to discuss the mechanism of knee-jerk reflex, that how the nerve impulse travels during a knee-jerk reflex. Here is a diagram. This is the femur, thigh bone, and this one is the tibia. Here is the patella, also called the kneecap. This one is quadriceps muscle present above the femur or the thigh bone, and this is the patellar tendon. If someone is sitting in a cross-leg position and his upper leg is relaxed, that his shin bone or tibia can easily move and he tip his patellar tendon with the edge of his hand, he will notice that his leg is kicking. This phenomena is called knee-jerk reflex. Now we are going to discuss a mechanism, that how the signal travels in a knee-jerk reflex. If someone tape his patellar tendon, then the receptors, which is the first component of the reflex action, the stretch receptors and the quadriceps muscle detect the pull of the tendon. The message travels in the sensory neuron toward the spinal cord. Spinal cord is a part of central nervous system. The spinal cord give message or command to the motor neuron. The motor neuron delivers this command and to the effector, which is the quadriceps muscle. to contract. The quadriceps muscle contract and cause the kicking of the legs. Receptors in the muscles are stretch receptor. Sensory neuron takes the message into the spinal cord, central nervous system. Spinal cord is a part of central nervous system. Motor neuron from spinal cord. The motor neuron takes the message away toward the effector, which is the quadriceps muscle. In the case of knee jerk reflex, the effectors perform the action and cause the quadriceps muscle to contract, which results in knee jerk reflex. Knee jerk reflex helps us to maintain our body posture and balance. If someone is working on an uneven surface and he suddenly slightly lost his body balance, then knee jerk reflex can help him to balance his body. So it's all about the reflex arc and the knee jerk reflex. Thanks for watching.